Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to can your own homemade spaghetti sauce with the meat already in it. This is a great money saver because beef prices are skyrocketing, so whatever you buy and can now will be cheaper than what you can do later. And it also doesn't need to be refrigerated, lasts on the shelf for years. Super convenient. Open it up, pour it on some noodles, and eat it. This is a quick meal for your family in a pinch, and it's so easy to do. So I'll show you how to do it. I love to give you the cost breakdown to show you how much we're saving when we do this at home, and I usually do that in most of my canning videos, but I really can't do that in this one because there really just is no comparable product on the market. When you go to the store, you can find spaghetti sauce, but you usually don't find it with the meat included in it. So I couldn't find anything to give you a comparable price point, and even if it did have the meat in it, it would not be the quality of product of what you're making at home. So it's going to be cheaper, than buying a lot of this stuff already made from like a restaurant for sure. But regardless of the expense, it's definitely going to be so convenient when you need a quick meal in an instant. I'm not going to show you how to make the sauce from scratch because I already have a video up that I did a few years ago on how to make your own homemade spaghetti sauce straight from your tomatoes, straight from your garden, which of course is the biggest money saver and the most nutritious, and you can do it quick in about 20 minutes. So go ahead and watch that if you want to make your sauce from scratch. But if you don't have, the tomatoes or the garden or the thing to do that, you can use store-bought sauces to make this. It's really simple. Let me show you how to do it.
Browning your ground meat will give it a richer, meatier flavor. When your meat is well seared, add whatever seasonings you like. I typically use onion, garlic, and bell peppers. Continue to sear until the seasonings are wilted, at which point you can add whatever sauce you like. If you want to learn how to make your own spaghetti sauce from fresh tomatoes, you can do so by watching this video. Stir the sauce in and turn the heat off. Let it sit for about 10 minutes in order for everything that is seared to the bottom of the pot to begin to loosen, and then stir it all in to incorporate it. Get your jars and make sure that they're warm since the contents you're going to put in them will be hot, and put your spaghetti sauce mixture into the warm jars. Clean your rims, put your lids on, finger tight, and now you're ready to can them. If you're using the preferred pressure canning method, then you're going to need to pressure can for 90 minutes for quart jars or 70 minutes for pint jars at 10 pounds of pressure, adjust for altitude. If you need detailed instructions on how to pressure can, you can get them by watching this video. If you're using the Old World Heritage water bath canning method, you're going to need to boil the jars for 3 hours. If you need detailed instructions on how to heritage can, you can get them by watching this video. And that's it. You now have a shelf-stable, meat-filled meal in a jar, ready to open and pour over your pasta whenever you want it. Quick, convenient, worry-free, and delicious.
All right, wasn't that easy? Too easy not to do for your convenience or to have in case of emergency. I love having canned stuff on the shelf that you don't have to worry about storms or any kind of problems knocking the power out. You don't have to run to the store when everybody else is in a panic, whenever crazy things are happening. And it does definitely save you money, not only because it's cheaper to do it yourself with better products, clean ingredients that you know what they are, but also because with inflation, prices are just, soaring. And so whatever you can today will probably be cheaper than what you can get tomorrow. Plus, if you watch our other gardening videos, we'll show you how to grow and raise a lot of this stuff yourself, which will knock the price down to pretty much negligible. So I hope that you have found this video interesting. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Do all of those things that keep you notified whenever we put out more content and information like this. Leave us a little something in the comments. Thanks for watching. Come back again. See you next time.